Hello, we are the team number 5. Our team is hydrogen cars. The outline is the first stage was to decide which design or prototype was going to take. The second stage began when we determined the prototype and purchased the materials. The third stage was to build a prototype. Fourth stage was testing it.
The problem statement. Cars have gone through a very great evolution over the years, becoming the automobiles we know today. However, the well now gasoline has a many price increase, and at the same time, the burning of this fuel inside the car is risky for the atmosphere due to the amount of CO2 it emits.
Documentary research. Also, hydrogen cars supported by big brands such as Toyota are beneficial for the environment. They also have significant disadvantages, such as the limited variety of models and their expected lifespan. The speed is potential research and prototype development in this field has been insufficient.
The objective of our project is to develop and promote the adoption of hydrogen vehicles as a sustainable and ecological alternative to conventional cars. It will be done through by the research, by the prototype development, and the collaboration with the leading automotive brands. Thus, we not only advance in supporting the environment and reducing the CO2 emission, but we also contribute to the liberalization and improvement of available transportation options.
And we have the main goals. The number 7, our project aims to use clean energy. The number 9, our project aims to be innovative. The number 11, our project aims to be sustainable for cities.
The development of this project. We chose to do this project because the environment is important and we can take of it without having to get rid of what is now most common of means of transportation in the world. Using water as fuel to these cars, we will ensure that our environment and the atmosphere are not corrupted. To that is what this project is formed apart from the fact that brands like Honda and Toyota have formed an alliance to make this type of car, better known as VACV. So we have already have the basis for this project.
The factory confirmed it's from the 1972 to 222. This is currently carried out by the Middle Mexico, circulated by 35.97 million automobiles in Mexico, according to the air result from the ICAR and Switzerland, and it offers the information on air quality in the real time. Monterrey occupied the first place for a few days in the ranking of the most popular cities in the world. In the future, we would like the better air in our cities. According to the General Law of Ecology, Balance and Environmental Protection, the Charter 1, Article 1, Section 1, 2, and 3, and 6 support the problem already discussed.
Now, in the methodology, first we have the question: what problem do we want to solve, and what goals does our project involve? And after of this, we have the question: what solutions we propose? And we have two options: aeolic car and a hydrogen car. After of choice, we have the question what variables can we identify and measure, and what materials do we need to build this prototype? And after of this, what tests will we do on this prototype, and what were the results of the test?
Description of the prototype. The hydrogen vehicle prototype will combine advanced technology and sustainable design. It will have an efficient hydrogen propulsion system that will emit water instead of harmful gases. Additionally, the vehicle design will be aerodynamic to improve fuel efficiency, and recyclable materials will be used to reduce environmental impact.
Now, these are the variables for that we measure in the prototype. These variables are we have these variables from the results of the test or prototype.
And we have the variables analysis. The prototype is designed to solve the pollution problem. The prototype is made with posicle sticks and flag sticks. They were glued with silicone to discs and lids. It will change the design so that it does not waste the water and that the same water that is thrown away can be used through tubes. The size of the prototype will also change.
Our key conclusion during the development of the test that we did on the prototype, we were able to observe that they really varied a lot depending on the test. Knowing the results of the project will help us to have a great approach to the resolution of the problem and thus develop the device.
The test results were positive. However, areas for environment were identified, especially we must optimize the water storage and improve the mechanism to increase the speed of the prototype. Storing the water and putting in a slightly more elaborate mechanism so that the prototype is a little faster, but that is already will be seen later.
No, personal reflection. Would you ask me, the problem we have about the pollution is one of the biggest problems that the world has to face. Science every day, things pollute every day. Honestly, our prototype will not help solve this problem, but it will use an approach great about how do it and how we can something every day, like cars become something sustainable and almost not pulling. This project left me with a lesson that everyone can try to do their bit in the science to try help to our planet. Help with ideas or actions, and I learned that gas is also air.
I believe that this project is a value and necessary initiative in our fight for a more sustainable future. The direction I'm personally impressed by the idea that the only byproduct of these vehicles is water, which is a stark contrast to the harmful gases that conventional cars emit.
My personal reflection is that I believe that it is a possible that our project will be so useful for the benefit of the environment. So we compare the cost that using the gasoline with the purpose instead of the using fuels. Let's use another replacement for cars fuels. It can be also avoid air pollution. This tip will help us improve the quality of car fuel consumption and can prevent air pollution. We use instruments to get our results, and one of the instruments we used was the tape measure and stopwatch.
My final reflection is that Thanks to STEM project, we as young people can encourage us to create things general better future because prototypes helps us obtain a vision for the future to improve civilization and have a change in the future.
Thank you for your attention.